Hey guys, so I just want to make this really quick video here this morning. Something that I've been doing for a long time whenever I have like a donut or a baked good that I've kept for a while and it gets kind of like hard is basically rehydrating them in the microwave. And I kind of just figured that this is something everybody knows, but maybe not. So we recently came back from our up north house, went to the absolute best place if you're ever in Interlochen, Michigan. It's kind of near where we are up there. There's a place called Bud's. I highly recommend it. Literally the best homemade donuts I've ever had. So I kind of try to keep them for a while. And I don't know if you can really hear from the video, but they're pretty hard at this point. They're about 4 or 5 days old. Yeah, so most people would say that's kind of disgusting, but I'm going to show you a little trick that I have. It's you simply just take a little bit of water, put it in a plate or a bowl. Not so much like specifically on the donut. And then we're just going to put that in the microwave for, I don't know, probably about 10-15 seconds here. Maybe a little bit longer. Don't judge my disgusting microwave, please. It needs to be wiped down. I think if I just press one. I'm not going to leave it in for a minute. I don't know why I always do that. And sometimes it actually helps to stop at mid-process and kind of just rotate them a little bit. Yeah, they're already like getting nice. You definitely don't want to overheat them because you can actually have the opposite effect, which is they'll get too tough. Alright, that's probably good. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Alright, so let's pull these guys out. So I don't know if you can tell from the video, but they are like completely restored. They're soft. They break apart really easily. They're warm. Not quite as good as the first day you got them, but much better. So rehydrating donuts, you can do this with cake, donuts, cookies, anything that's a baked good that dries out over time. You can add water back simply by heating it in the microwave. The water will steam up, excuse my voice, get into the pastry and kind of give it a few days extra of life. So if you guys enjoyed this life hack, let me know. All right, guys, that wraps up another video here on the Create with Nate channel. Hey, listen, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me for the last few minutes as I went over this recent content. And if this is stuff that you guys like to hear and these videos that I've been producing lately are things that are helpful to you, then I'd really appreciate some feedback. If you guys want to leave some comments, give some likes, and definitely some subscribes on this channel. I'm a new channel just getting started, and I really appreciate the help and support, get things going right now. So if you guys enjoy what you see, then please interact with me. Let me know what you think. If you see something I'm doing wrong, let me know that too. I'm always, open to learning, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.